Ayan. So this is the Mount Samat National Shrine, wherein we are here, and that one that you are seeing now is the Manila Bay. Ayan. And punta na tayo sa taas. Let's go. Ayan. So dati pwede yung sasakyan dito, but this time binawal na po nila, so all we can do is to walk and feel the breeze of the air. Ayan. Marami ring tao, pansinin nyo. But the thing is, we got to enjoy the nature itself. Yeah. There are still trees in here, and all we can say that the nature is pretty good. Ayan, ang dami oh. Ayan o, gaano karami yung mga riders natin oh. Hanggang doon yung pila yun oh. Kitang kita nyo naman. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Zoom natin ng konti oh. Ayan, di ba? Okay. Ayan. Lakarin natin yan all the way. Yeah. Okay. So next phase. Ayan. Habang kami naglalakad, magbibideo na lang kami. Ayan. Woohoo! Yan. Ito po yung entrance papunta sa yan. Sobrang taas na ng elevation actually. I think more than 400 meters above sea level. Yeah. And according to the instructor kanina, si ma'am, this was the final battle bago nagfall yung Bataan under the Japanese occupation forces ng World War II. So ganun sila nahirapan bago nila na-seize yung yung Mount Samat. Ayan, para na ako nag-exercise. Ayan. Okay. I'm going to take pictures while I'm going to getting these videos. Masanting na yung Samsung yan eh. At in-update na yung camera na pwede ka mag-take pictures habang nag-video ka. Okay. Still have a long way to go. Ayan, as you can see, ayan yung cross. Dito pa lang hinihingal na tayo sa entrance. But we can manage. Konting pahinga and then lakad. Yan. It's a cross out there. So it symbolizes the sacrifices that our forefathers has made during the onset of the World War II. Yeah. All right, so here we are overlooking the Bataan. Peninsula. And there, yun yung Manila. Ganda ron. Yan. Tagaytay feels, I think. Kung pipiliin ko si Tagaytay over here, I would rather choose here. From Pampanga, mas malapit ka. Yan. So this is the 50 cal submachine gun that was used during the defense of the Bataan. As you can see, ayan, yung kanyang emblem. Ayan. So it was made 1943. 1943 siya. Ayan. Oh, made in US. Ayan. Ganyan siya kalagay, guys. Yung tripod pa lang. Para ka nang bumuhat ng isang welya siguro ng truck na ito. Ayan. So I think dito hahawak yung mga, ayan. So that's the way they use it. And then yung, I think yung ano niya, yung anong tawag dito, ito. Ganyan siya. And then yung 50 cal na ammo, I think dito siya galing. Ito siya lalabas. Ayan.
Alam nila kung paano nila nakuha yan.
Ganito nga yung kung pare ganito nga nakuha nila.
Sa?
This is a vintage bomb.
Sa Luna, boom.
I think this is a 500 pound bomb.
City Hall.
Ganito kalaki?
Oo. Ngayon nakuha nila.
Actually po nung nasa Cagayan ako, yung school
Bahay na ba to?
namin,
Doon.
'di ba? Ganito yung pang patingting. Empty shell
Saan school?
sa Cagayan po. Kasi meron din silang nakuha doon na ganito rin.
Mga 50 caliber to eh. 50 caliber. 50 caliber to eh.
Ito 500 pound bomb po ito. Or hindi, 1,000 pound, 1,000 pound pala. Kasi malaki siya.
Nung una mga 50 caliber nung una.
Ito for aerial na to. So that
Pag
time,
ginamit kaya to, puputok pa siya.
Oo, tamahan ka.
Baliw.
ano na po yan? Disabled na po yan.
Wala na siya.
Wala na po. Display na lang siya. And even this, wala nang laman
Wala
to.
na yung mga bala na ano, ito yung mga phone, wala na.
Wala na pong laman yan.
It means na pumutok na siya gano'n.
Hindi.
Hindi po. Hindi po siya pumutok. So, yan, 50 cal din yan.
Ito yung maganda oh. Mga itong stick, itong spring.
I think Bofors yata ang ano nito, may spring siya eh.
Oo.
Bofors siya, Bofors 40 mm. 40 mm na Bofors. Ayan, yung ginagamit dati ng mga US Navy. Up until now, I think. Ayan. So ito yung shoulder mo yan, dito mo ilalagay. Para kang Ayan, correction guys, correction. Ayan, hindi siya 40 mm. Kundi 20 mm siya sa MG, 20 mm. So mas malaki siya sa 50 cal. Mas malapad siya sa 50 cal. 0.5. Ayan. I think this is the US M40A4 recoilless rifle, 106 mm. Anti-tank. This is an anti-tank weapon that was used during the war. And ano ba tong magazine na to? Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. Ayan. Anong date niya? 90. This is a M79 anti-tank rifle. Okay, tuloy ang pag-exercise natin. Tadaan! And this is a pine tree, I think. Yan, para ka rin nasa Baguio. And it's my brother. Yan, pahinga lang kami. Nanong rin yung tanaman, nanong rin bulaklak ka rin ni Wincy? Hanging bell? At yung Tinkerbell kayo na? Wait, I'm going to take pictures of these flowers and then we'll identify them later. Okay. Okay. Yan, sige, exercise lang. Okay. Namisan paninap kay kaya mo, mekos. Agluto yan kay. Agluto yung pamangan tayo megi. May malitada na yung padermi. Nada paninap. Okay. So we are nearing the na
COC, level 1 cannon.
oh, si Yossi daw. Level 1 cannon. Ayan. Okay. So, ito yung mga primitive na weapons na nagamit nila. But here, this is a submachine gun. I think. Yeah. Grabe, hindi na siya kaluma. DK means dambana ng kagitingan. Ayan. So from Manila to here, it takes 140 kilometers. Ayan. Kung galing ka sa Rizal Park, sakto 140. From Rizal Park, yung monument ni Jose Rizal papunta rito. Kilometer 0. See the nature. Yeah. I think nandyan si SCTEX. Kaya yung kabila eh. But we are overlooking sa Bataan. And this weapon, I think this is a 50 cal weapon. Nakaposition siya rito actually. So, hindi na siya tinanggal. So, maybe nung panahon ng siege, ito yung niya, traverse niya. Ayan. I think the gunner is aiming at that part of the mountain against the Japanese. Grabe oh. Okay, buti na lang may stabilizer tong aking cellphone. Yep, and let's go to the next. View. Yan. So you can see kung gaano kataas yung elevation. Oh, wala pa kami sa mismong cross Ayan. Ganyan kataas ang Mount Samat. And here This is where the Battle of the Pockets commenced during the World War II. Yeah. So I think, oh, I saw this one. This is quite interesting. Anti-tank rifle, ano din siya, anti-tank gun. Yan. This was used during the occupation. Yan. Okay. So many trees out there. Yan. Okay. Whew. What a nature sightseeing. I think we should research what happened here at the Battle of the Pockets. Battle of the Pockets. Feeling ko dito nag-sneak attack yung mga Japanese noon. Kaya tinawag siya na Battle of the Pockets. Parang itong ridge na to, hindi siya covered nung mismong mga guns or something. Ayan. Ayan, nagpapapicture sila kuya. Diretso lang sa pag-akyat hanggang sa tayo ay, oh my gosh, the weather is ako mas pipiliin ko dito over Tagaytay because Tagaytay is crowded. Yeah, we're still too far away from that thing. Whew. My gosh, what a breathtaking scene. Okay. Next. Ganda talaga ng nakapunta na po kayo doon sa sa Sitio Dueg sa may Tarlac?
Hindi pa.
Search nyo Kapia Kental na.
Ano?
Kapia Kental na.
Kapia Kental na?
Yes.
Okay.
Kapya tapos space KEN then TALNA.
Okay. Sige.
That is a Ilocano word meaning peace and quiet. So kung nagmumotor ka, actually galing na po kami doon. From Caloocan to there, Tarlac. Mga 4 hours.
Pwede na din.
Mahigit. Kasi nung galing kami sa Pampanga, we spent 2.5 hours sa biyahe.
Papunta pa kami ng Bagak eh.
Okay. Ngayon po, pupunta kayo ng Bagak.
Magpapatay oras lang kami kasi 11 pa.
Ito, I think meron siyang this is a anything, anti-aircraft ne. Any aircraft gun. But why? Okay. Ito yung dito siya. So that's the crosshair. That's the crosshair we're supposed to. So means to say may mga planes riding all over the horizon. And this one is capable of defending the skies over Mount Samat. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa cross. So, a while ago, andun kami. Yan. And here we are now. Ayan. Ayan. So, So mantakin ninyo yung elevation, sobrang tarik. Sobrang tarik po mga insan ang daan papunta rito. Yan. Yan. May mga nakilala akong friends galing sa Caloocan. Hello po. Kaso matarik talaga. Okay. Ayan na. Ayan na. Lapit na. Konting ano na lang. Para na ako nahihilo, parang hinihila ako pabalik eh. Oh, see how steep was the road. Yeah. I think I would come here again with my wife. Ayun, ayan, doon kami galing. Doon sa pinakababa na yon. Oh.
Nasa circle lang pala tayo eh.
Ano ito si Win? Gumamela ya? Ay tating gumamela ka rin no? Tawin mo. Gumamela yan eh. Oh my. Yeah. It is a gumamela plant. Oh, I miss these plants. Where we are still in Cagayan Valley. Yan yung pinakabagod namin noon. Na gumamela plant. And also this plant. Yeah. Buti na lang nakikisama si Weather sa atin. Hindi siya nagme-mekos-mekos. Okay. Okay, so we're here. We are here. And that's the Shrine of Valor. Or sa Tagalog is Dambana ng Kagitingan. Dito ulit tayo sa pinaka base ni Dambana ng Kagitingan wherein makikita natin yung landmark. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So this is how the place looks like. So since 50 years old na yung ating structure, sarado po si elevator. So we cannot access I think this is the Lapu-Lapu ini na Wincy. Panahon pala ni Marcos to. Ayan. So we are here at the center of the baby. That's it. And too many visitors. And the wind is cold. Para kang nasa Tagaytay, mga lods.
Baka nga sir.
Baka. Lima po ba tayo to?
Namot yung Tagaytay, tsoka Baguio, tsoka nung karing man lupalop ng mundo, baka tsoka nakaring king US siguro yun. Diba? Yan. Yan. Ayan. Okay. Picturean ko muna while we are here at the shrine. So I think we need. Okay, so now we are exiting the. Before we exit pala, I need to see this. What a nice view, guys.
Barkula atin
Oh, di ba? Sabi ko kay ka, barkula rin. Tutuitan sinabi na nitang kay. US Navy la rin. Eh damo po rin ipabalita. Okay. We're back, guys. Ayan. Galing na kami dyan. Ayan. So we're going home. Thanks for watching, and hope you will visit this one of a kind historic monument that symbolizes the heroism, sacrifice, and patriotism of our forefathers. Saludo po kami sa inyo. Yan. Let us remind ourselves that even in our generation, we can still do that. Okay. Bye-bye. Punta na kami sa aming motor. Nakasibin.